Hi guys, for this video guys, ito naman ang ulam ko ngayon guys. Itlog guys. Sinabawang itlog guys na may ano guys, sibuyas bombay. Guys, sinabawang itlog guys na may sibuyas bombay. Okay guys, tikman natin guys. Sarap to guys. Ito guys, sibuyas bombay guys. Itlog na ano guys, nilagyan ng sibuyas bombay. Ito guys, para guys, sinabaw na itlog na may sibuyas na bombay. Okay, stick ba natin guys. Sibuyas bombay guys, ito guys, sibuyas bombay. Sarap to guys. Okay guys.